Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into QuickBooks, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in the URL for QuickBooks, which is intuitively quickbooks.intuit.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. You will see two options, one for QuickBooks Online and another for QuickBooks Desktop. Select the option that corresponds to the version you are using. For QuickBooks Online, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, click the Continue button to move on to the password entry screen. In the password field, type in your password carefully. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or authentication app for the code and enter it in the designated field. After entering the verification code, hit Verify to complete the login process. If you happen to forget your password, click on the I forgot my password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email associated with your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. You are now successfully logged into QuickBooks and ready to manage your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.